Hey guys, welcome to your channel Mirror Pro. Hope you enjoyed with this video. So, iTunes can be a pain to deal with sometimes. It's slow, buggy and usually only focuses on one-way sync from your Mac to your iPhone. And even then, transferring specific videos and photos isn't exactly straightforward. This is where DearMob iPhone Manager comes in. Forget iTunes and use this app for seamless and encrypted two-way transfer between your Mac or PC and your iPhone. DearMob iPhone Manager is a fully featured tool that lets you back up and sync photos, videos, music, books, apps, contacts and even messages from your iPhone to your Mac or PC. So, how to transfer files between your computer and iPhone using DearMob iPhone Manager? The first step that you need to take is to download the software from the link given in the description box below. After that, you need to install the software. The process is fairly simple and straightforward, so you do not need to worry about it. Once the software is installed, simply go ahead and launch it. When the software launches, you will be brought to this screen. As you can see here, you have 5 options such as photo transfer, music manager, video and movie, backup and restore and files. To transfer photos between your computer and iPhone, go to the first option, click on it, and you'll be brought to this window. You'll see all your photos on this list. On the left, you'll find all the albums in the sidebar here. Select the photos that you want to export, or use the Select All button to select all photos, and click on the Export button. Once exported, the folder will open up where you'll see all your exported photos. The amount of control you have over the transfer is what makes DearMob the best iPhone manager. You can do a two-way transfer of photos. This means that you can sync photos that you downloaded on your iPhone to your PC or Mac, and while exporting, the app will automatically convert HEIC photos to JPEG, that if the convert needed. If you want to convert them, make sure to select the Export HEIC to JPEG button here. You can also add photos to your iPhone by selecting the folder that you want to put the photos in it from the sidebar on the left here. After that, click on Add Photo button here. Then select photos from your computer and click Open. After the synchronizing data, click the Sync button here, and done, all the photos is successfully added to your iPhone device. If you want to transfer videos between your computer and iPhone, you can do that by clicking on Video and Movie option in the welcome screen, and follow the same previous steps as if you want to transfer photos between the computer and the iPhone. You can also use DearMob to take full encrypted backup of your iPhone and to restore it later, by select the Backup and Restore option in the welcome screen. Using this feature you can easily transfer photos, videos, music and more from your old iPhone to your new iPhone in just one click. Finally, DearMob is endowed with all the features in its arsenal to let you manage your iPhone with more flexibility. DearMob iPhone Manager doesn't only replace iTunes. This is an all-in-one solution for controlling your iOS device and making sure that you keep your data under control. It's easy to use, covers different types of data, and works flawlessly. You can download the free version of DearMob iPhone Manager from the link below in the description box. If you want to use the program full features, do not hesitate to buy it because it is explicitly worth it. It'll cost you $39.95 only. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe and to click on the bell to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.